So now we are in the traditional salt farm.
Salt farm, especially in the East Bali. And then you know that long time ago there are a lot of salt maker in the East Bali, but nowadays just a few. So we will see later on how the salt maker making the what is it? The salt.
Sea salt.
Sea salt.
Okay, let's go. Let's see.
Hello. So now we will see Ibu there is still preparing herself to make a sea salt. We will see the first process until the end. Thing that you have to remember, this is still traditional way to make a salt. Okay, so we have Ibu. What's your name, Ibu? Siapa namanya? Bu Wayan.
Putri.
Bu Wayan Putri. Now Ibu Wayan Putri will show us how to make a sea salt with the traditional way. Let's see. Hey. Oh. Look. Makin ke laut, Bu.
Over here, she's going to the ocean to take some salt water from the Indian Ocean, and then she will show us how she making a sea salt. That's the natural Bali sea salt. Very old tradition, by the way. So happy to see that.
So you see now Ibu Wayan will get the water from the sea. Wow! Look how strong she is. Yay! Take it. Now let's check what we will do with the salt water. 60 tahun. Well, the lady is making the sea salt here for 60 years.
So this woman over here is 60 years. She's making this for 60 years. And look how strong she is. This is so heavy.
Look at her, how strong she is. Even me, maybe I cannot hold like that. Look. Niki napi namanya, Bu? Niki, napi fungsinya?
Fungsi niki kan karena namun kering kan. Tadi duduk waktu niki tempat.
Oh,
Oh, yang itu bau siam, balik koyor, beda.
Oh. So she throw the water and then she dry it on the sand. So later on she will pick up the sand and then dry it over there. Woo. So after this, what will we do, Ibu?
Ya.
After Niki pun api.
Atau niki, duduk niki kan.
So after this, we will take the.
Niki kan runtuh niki.
Yeah.
Jangan sampun tuh. Tadi kepet-kepet gini niki.
Oh.
Yang begini kepet itu.
Oh. Oh, so like this. Oh, yeah. So like this. Now after this, after dry, we will take this one. You see? It's gold inside. Not gold. It's not gold actually. It's salt inside. Let's see. Ibu doing that. Yeah. Now she will take the sand. Actually, the sand already with the salt. See? Inside there, you can see the sparkling of the salt.
Seawater mriki.
Oh, and then after that, she bring it here.
Oh, niki kan burung dia martinya so mari sirahat.
Okay. Okay, she put it here. So we will put the water, the salt water again to put there to filter the salt. She put again, she pour again the salt water.
So she just put the water, so it will be like a natural filtration.
So as she explained that, after she put all the waters in the sand over there, and then under it will be the water. You can see later on under there will be the water, and the water coming from that, she will dry it under the sun, and then will become salt.
The way check this place out, so cool.
Now let's see. Ibu will take. So let's see. Ibu will take the salt. Look at that. Berapa lama nih dijemur, Bu?
Yang kentang gede panasnya 2 hari.
2 hari. Oh, so she said you have to dry it under the sun for 2 days. It's like crystal, yeah? So after this, we took it and then we dried it again under the sun, and then you see this is natural sea salt. It's only been in the east of Bali. Alright, so oh, look at this coconut. We can keep the the salt here later on. Okay, Bu. Wow, it's so cool. Now I really want to buy one salt that I want to take home with me, because I know that this is traditional with no chemical inside. It's really good, you know. Okay, Ibu, tiang numbah siki, mantan bakte tiang pulang. Udah niki, Bu?
Lain.
Selaing, Tabe. So, we buy it. Baksa ampun nih. Ibu seksema banget.
Terima kasih, Bu.
Okay, so that's all. You know, the process of making salt traditional.
So we saw how is the traditional process of salt making is happened in Bali. We have organic salt from the Indian Ocean, and where are you? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. And I think that will be enough for today's vlog.
Yes.
Very interesting. I hope so. Please comment below what do you think, if you ever saw like this, and of course don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and everything, stuff like this. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Pamit, Bu.
Iya, ngirim.
Natural one.